Hello guys, welcome back to Bike Update. In today's video, we're exploring the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350, an iconic motorcycle that's getting even better with the latest updates. If you're a fan of timeless design combined with modern features, this is the bike to watch. Timeless design with a modern touch. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 stays true to its roots with a retro-inspired design featuring a round headlamp, classic tank, and signature teardrop lines. However, Royal Enfield has refined the styling with a more polished finish, improved chrome details, and new color options, giving it a fresh yet familiar look. Refined engine and performance. Under the hood, the Classic 350 retains its 349cc single-cylinder engine, now paired with an updated fuel injection system for smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency. Expect a reliable 20 horsepower and a comfortable mid-range torque, perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. The engine is tuned for a relaxed yet enjoyable ride, keeping the classic thumper vibe alive. Enhanced comfort and ergonomics. Royal Enfield has made significant improvements in the ergonomics of the 2025 Classic 350. The seat is now more cushioned for better long-distance comfort, and the handlebars have been adjusted for a more natural riding posture. Whether you're cruising or navigating through traffic, the bike offers a balanced and comfortable experience for riders of all sizes. Advanced features and technology. The 2025 Classic 350 introduces modern technology without compromising its vintage charm. It comes equipped with an analog-digital instrument cluster, dual-channel ABS, and a USB charging port. The new Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to pair their smartphones for navigation and incoming call alerts, making it a perfect blend of old-school aesthetics and modern convenience. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 continues to build on its legendary legacy, offering improved performance, comfort, and technology, all while maintaining its iconic design. If you're looking for a bike that blends heritage with modern-day refinements, this is the one to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Update for more updates on the latest motorcycles.